Ready, set, oink! Ready to draw Peppa, George, Mommy and Daddy Pig on a lovely autumn day? Let's start with Peppa Pig. First, draw a horizontal line, a vertical line coming up from each side, then connect them with a horizontal line. Draw a half circle on top and a small circle on top of it to finish the hat. Draw a diagonal line coming out from the right side, then draw a circle for the nose and another diagonal line coming down from its bottom. Connect the nose to the other side of the hat with an incomplete circle. Draw half a circle under the face for the scarf. Then draw half a rectangle coming down from it. Draw tiny lines at the bottom for the fringes. Decorate the scarf with some stripes. Draw a line coming down from each side of the scarf. Then close it at the bottom with a horizontal line. For the coat, draw a vertical line in the middle of the coat, then add a couple of small circles for the bottom. Draw two diagonal lines coming out from the side of the body and close them at the end to make the arm. Draw an upside down letter U and a smaller one next to it for the mittens. Repeat the same steps for the other arm and mitten. Draw two pairs of tiny lines coming down from the bottom of the coat for the legs. Draw a horizontal line at the bottom and a vertical line coming down from each side, one of them shorter than the other, and connect them with a curve to make the boot. Repeat the same step to make the other boot. For the eyes, draw a circle and a smaller one inside. Do the same for the other eye. Draw a curve for the mouth and a half circle connected to it, then repeat the same shape around it to make the lip. Wow, this is Peppa Pig! Now to make George, we are going to repeat the same steps for the hat, just make it slightly tilted, and make sure that George is a little bit shorter than Peppa. Draw the same nose as Peppa, but just facing the other direction. Oops! Don't forget to add the two holes for the nose on each one of them. Make the face the same as Peppa, but maybe just a little smaller. Draw the scarf similarly. The coat as well, just make it a little bit shorter. And draw shorter arms for George. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Then draw the boots facing the other direction. Draw the eyes similarly. You can make it looking up towards Peppa. Then make the mouth the same way. Now for Daddy Pig, we'll repeat the same steps for the hat, just make it tilted to the opposite direction of George. And for the nose, make it longer and larger than Peppa and George's. And make a large circle for the face. Draw the scarf similarly. And the coat as well. Just make it larger than the one for the kid, because Daddy Pig is the biggest of all. Now draw the arms similarly. Then the legs and the boots, and make them facing the same direction as Peppa's. Draw the eyes the same way. You can make them looking down towards the kid. And draw a circle around each eye for the glasses. Then connect the circles together with a line in the middle and another longer line connecting the glasses to the back of the head. Then draw the mouth the same way. And add a few hairs on the top and the bottom for Daddy's facial hair. You've gone a long way. Only Mommy Pig left. Repeat the same steps for the hat. Then make the nose and the face a little smaller than Daddy Pig but larger than the kid. Draw the scarf similarly. And the coat as well, making the coat smaller than Daddy's but larger than the kid's. Draw the arms similarly. We made Mommy Pig's arms facing downwards towards the kid, but feel free to make them the same as the rest of them. Now draw the legs and the boots facing the same direction as George. For Mommy Pig's eyes, make them the same, while adding some lashes on the top and on the bottom. And draw the mouth similarly. Now we are going to add some fall leaves under them. You can draw the leaf by drawing two curved lines connected to each other, with one end being more pointy. Then add a line in the middle. Make as many leaves as you want, and you can make some leaves falling on them from above. Now let's add a couple of clouds above them by making several half circles connected to each other. Now draw a circle for the sun and some rays coming out from it. What a lovely day! If you are jumping up and down in leaves, you must wear your boots. Now you can draw Peppa and her family on a lovely autumn day. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring.